Hello and welcome to the demonstration and summarization of Project Stocky. Project Stocky is a Python-based program where one can log in and see technical indicators of any stock within the S&P 500. First, let's start the program. Great. This is a PyQt5 framework for the GUI. We can see that we're on the login page right now. Well, we don't have an account, so let's sign up. I'll enter my name, my school email, my phone number, and let's say a username and password. Great. And we can see that the password was this. Project Stocky actually stores these passwords in the Maria database. The MariaDB connector is being used. So we can again log in. Great. Remember, log in. Welcome. This is the dashboard for Project Stocky. Here we can see stock lookup. We'll enter a ticker here, press submit, and create a stock tile for us to click. First, let's look over these buttons. Help is your basic help button. It'll explain exactly how to use Project Stocky. Our user info, perfect. We can see, yep, my name is Jeremiah. This is all the information that I signed up with. And say, well, I didn't really want to use my school email now. I want to change it. I'll change it to my personal. Great. Press OK. Exit that. User info. You can see that it's changed. Any user can do this, whether they've signed up, and not every field is needed, but it should be fine. There we go. Let's start with some tickers. So let's start with Intel. So INTC. So we can see that it's slightly bearish today. You can see that it's a company's name and this actual stock ticker. Let's go with AMD. Papa John's for why not? Or Domino's Pizza, sorry. Coca-Cola. We can see that it's neutral today, actually. Apple. And finally, Tesla. So we can see that we have actually 6 tiles here. So that we can see that, okay, Apple's slightly bearish today. Coca-Cola is neutral. Everything else is quite bearish today, unfortunately. Especially in Domino's Pizza's case, they're very bearish with the bearish minus symbol. So let's see what actually makes Coca-Cola so neutral today. Great. So we can see that today's, or in this case, March 29th's, or excuse me, April 29th's data. So the RSI is 53.9, the MACD is 0.899, the stochastic operator for today was 0. And if we wanted to, we can expand this a little bit. This is a chart created by Project Stocky. Shows the price movement and the simple moving averages of the 20 value and the 50 value. And we can see how, unfortunately, Coca-Cola has been going down quite significantly in the past couple of days. From down here, we can see all of the data that is actually created and recorded into the Maria database, from the dates to the RSIs for each day recorded, the MACD, the stochastic operator, the volume, how many stocks were traded that day, the closing price, and even the price change from the previous day. Click out of this. Well, let's say we wanted to save this dashboard configuration. Well, we can do exactly that. Press Save Dashboard Configuration. Let's call this Dragon. Why not? And we can get the names of each ticker. So INTC, AMD, DPZ, KO, AAPL, Tesla. Save configuration. Success in saving stock tickers. Perfect. Exit out of that. Now we need to import. So let's click out all of these. Now we need to import dashboard configuration. We can see that actually the what we just submitted is actually has a dashboard name, the stock ticker itself, and an ID assigned to it. For this, we just need to enter the dragon, which is the dashboard name, in order to load all of those again. And there you have it. You can do this with multiple. You don't have to do it with just what you had there. We can do, let's say, ICE. Let's say AMD again. I don't know, let's do NVIDIA. Netflix. Actually, no, let's do Tesla. Let's just use the same ones, but in a different order. So you can see that it actually does save the exact configuration. Save configuration. Close that out. Import. And we can see that, yes, ICE was created and saved onto the database. And again, we click ICE, submit name, comes up. And again, you can click on any of them, and it will create a completely new graph with all the data. As you can see, AMD has not been going too hot, unfortunately. There you go. You can see all the data down here again. Perfect. Thank you, and that is all for the Project Stocky configuration and summary.